is the 11th and Emerald building in Sacramento, California. That annunciator. Finally got in here. These are Montgomery's. Let's go to 2. Switch to 2.
I don't remember these talking.
Going down.
The voice is like up
Yeah,
here.
it's like in the back of the cab.
Ooh.
Oh, there's a basement? Let's check that out.
Second floor.
I didn't even see that.
Going down.
Huh?
I'd neither until I was looking at it.
Eight. Going up.
What was that down there?
I have no clue, but it was really cool looking.
Uh-oh. Did we just get stuck? Oh, look at the door. Now we're gonna stop at all these floors.
First floor. Going up.
Oh. Yeah, I wonder what kind of annunciator this is.
Nope, only that car search speed.
Dude, you see the door down there?
Yeah, I wonder what it looks like on the outside.
Tenth floor. Going down.
But see how the key switch is different on this one? It's not mounted. I have a feeling that car's original and probably added.
I don't think so. You see the lobby? Oh, it's all in it.
Oh yeah, that's true. This car's a bit faster.
Yeah. Yep, this one does not serve basement. That was a nice bell.
First floor.